Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we're installing a battery in a 2016 Jeep Patriot. Step 1, you need to take off the battery bracket. You will need a 13mm socket with a long extension with a ratchet. Just turn it clockwise until you feel the bolt loosen up to free up the bracket itself. This bracket has a long bolt, so just keep turning it until you feel it loosen up. And this is your first time visiting Battery Guyz with a Z, we ask you to like the video, share the video, and also to subscribe to the channel as well. So what we did just then, the next step was taking out the negative terminal, which is also known as the ground. You would need a 10mm socket or a wrench to disconnect that. And proceed to do the same as the positive, which is also known as the red indicator of the post itself. Now you're able to lift the battery directly out of the vehicle itself. So what we're doing next is you want to go ahead and connect your positive terminal. You always want to connect your negative terminal last when you're installing a battery. So you just use your wrench or your 10mm socket and just tighten up those screws. Your next step is you want to go ahead and insert that battery bracket back into the battery box itself to secure that battery. And now all you're doing, you just tighten up that bolt, you get that bracket tightened down to secure that battery, and that will complete how you install a 2016 Jeep Patriot battery.